We wish showcasing the results of the survey held in May 2018 to FileZilla Pro customers on how they like the product, what new features they want, and what it's missing. FileZilla Pro was launched on the 8th of May 2017, initially only for Windows. A few weeks later, we introduced a Mac version, and we launched a dedicated website at FileZillaPro.com. 1 year later, with more than 25,000 individual enthusiasts, professional system administrators, developers, engineers, and enterprise power users relying on FileZilla Pro to move their files between computers and remote servers, we run our first customer survey. Our first question was aimed at assessing the loyalty of our customer base, and it was refreshing to learn that 9 on 10 customers would recommend FileZilla Pro to a friend or a colleague. We also asked our customers to choose some words to describe FileZilla Pro, and it has been inspiring to learn that over 80% of respondents find it useful, and nobody said it's overpriced. Asking our customers what cloud service they'd like to see next, we hear loud and clear that Dropbox, Google, and OneDrive were the most wanted. We just shipped Google Cloud Storage. We'll add Google Drive, and we'll keep adding new protocols based on customers' feedback. Feel free to leave a comment below and let us know what you want. We also asked how people like Amazon S3 support, and we got a lot of valuable feedback, ranging from enthusiastic comments like these. To request for enhancing S3 support, something we promise we're already working on. Last but not least, some customers demand further technical documentation beyond the wiki and integrated help. We decided to put together a manual to provide customers with a QuickStart guide and a full system manual. FileZilla Pro is fast and reliable. Plus, it supports a variety of other cloud protocols: Amazon S3, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Storage, and WebDAV. Are your website files ready to go? Time to get your copy of FileZilla Pro. Go to FileZillaPro.com and buy it with confidence. See you at the next video of the FileZilla Pro series.